Hello everyone, my name is Eric Smiley. I am the Implementation and Training Specialist for NEWT, the business division of Fibernetics. This video will provide you with the instructions on how to perform the most common features on the VVX350 series Polycom handset. We will be reviewing call transferring, call park, three-way calling, and accessing call lists. Please follow along. Attended transfer. An attended transfer will allow you to introduce the caller you are attempting to transfer prior to completing the transfer. In this instance, for internal extensions, the recipient will see the name and extension number of the user attempting to transfer the call on their handset display. If transferring to an external number, the recipient will see the main phone number of the transferring party. Please follow along. During an active call, press the More soft key once, located below the screen of the handset. Press the Attended Transfer soft key, then dial the extension number of the party you are transferring your caller to. This will ring the recipient's handset extension. Their handset will display the name of the extension user attempting to transfer the caller. Once your recipient answers the call, your caller is placed on hold, allowing you the opportunity to privately introduce the caller prior to the transfer. Blind transfer. A blind transfer will allow you to transfer an existing call to another internal extension or external number while providing the name and the number of the caller being transferred. This type of transfer does not include an introduction of the caller. It is a direct transfer to another user's extension. Please follow along. During an active call, press the More soft key once, located below the screen of the handset. Press the Blind Transfer soft key, dial the extension number of the party you are transferring your caller to, followed by the Enter soft key. This will send your caller directly to the recipient's handset extension. The recipient will see the name and the phone number of the caller being transferred on their handset. Voicemail transfer. A voicemail transfer will allow you to transfer a caller directly into an internal extension's voicemail. In this instance, the recipient's handset will not ring. The caller will be placed directly into the voicemail of the extension to leave a message. Please follow along. During an active call, press the More soft key once, located below the screen of the handset. Press the voicemail transfer soft key, then dial the extension number of the user you are attempting to transfer to, followed by the Enter soft key. This will transfer your caller directly into the voicemail of the recipient you are transferring to. Call parking. Parking a call places it into a hold state but allows you to retrieve the call from a different handset, as opposed to placing a call on hold using the hold soft or hard keys. Hold will only allow the call to be picked up from the handset who originally put that call on hold. Parked calls allow full visibility to where a call is parked for easier tracking. Please follow along. During an active call, simply press the associated park position key button attached to the line keys located on the side of the screen of the handset. Once selected, the line button will appear red, indicating what position the call has been parked on. This red light indicator will also be visible on all other handsets for easy tracking and call retrieval. To retrieve the parked call, simply press the associated red lit line key on any handset in the office and you will automatically be connected to the caller. Three-way calling. This feature will allow you to add one additional caller to an active call in order to create a three-way conference call. Please follow along. During an active call, press the More soft key twice, followed by the Conference soft key. This will place your original caller on hold and provide you with a dial tone. Place a call to the third party, and once connected, press the More soft key twice, followed by the Conference soft key. All three parties will be engaged in the conference. Accessing call lists. On a Polycom VVX series handset, you will have access to the following call lists on your handset by using the navigation arrow hard key buttons located in the center of your handset. The left-facing arrow beside those hard keys is your back key. Please follow along. On the main screen of your handset using the navigation arrows, press the up arrow to view the list of your favorites. Press the navigation arrow to the left to view received calls. Press the navigation arrow to the right to see the list of placed calls. And press the navigation arrow down to view the list of missed calls.